Ready for a 2-bedroom home with privacy. Situated on a spacious 0.79-acre lot with no HOA, this charming property offers peaceful country living while still being just a short drive to Beaufort, Morehead City, and the beautiful Crystal Coast beaches. Inside, the home features an open floor plan that creates a bright and comfortable living space, complemented by LVP flooring throughout. The open kitchen includes a farmhouse sink and plenty of workspace, while the spacious bathroom features a farmhouse-style sink and thoughtful design. Outside, the property offers 2 separate fenced yard areas, ideal for pets, gardening, or outdoor activities. For those interested in a touch of rural living, a new chicken coop is available for separate purchase. The oversized 1.5-car garage provides excellent storage and convenience, and the generous lot offers plenty of room to park a boat, RV, or other recreational toys. All exterior buildings are wired with electrical. Enjoy privacy, space, and the flexibility of no HOA, all while being close to the water and everything the Crystal Coast has to offer. Just add water to your lifestyle. Road maintenance agreement and documents.